Hello. Today we're going to learn about how plants make their own food. Just like we need food to grow and have energy, plants need food also. But plants don't go to the grocery store. They make their own food using a very special process. This special process is called photosynthesis. The word comes from two Greek words, photo, meaning light, and synthesis, meaning putting things together. So photosynthesis means putting things together with light. It's how plants use light to make their food. To make food, plants need a few important things. First up, sunlight, which is energy from the sun. Next, they need water that's taken in usually through their roots. And finally, they need carbon dioxide, a gas from the air. It's like gathering needed ingredients for a recipe. Plants have a green stuff in their leaf called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is super important because it captures the energy from sunlight. It's like a tiny solar panel inside the plant. That's why leaves are usually green. Inside the leaves, plants use the energy from sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make sugar, which is its food, and they also make oxygen. The plant uses the sugar to grow, and it releases the oxygen into the air. In fact, that's the oxygen we end up breathing. You can see, for photosynthesis, sunlight plus carbon dioxide plus water equals sugar plus oxygen. Photosynthesis is super important for a few reasons. It makes the food for plants to grow. It makes oxygen that we and other animals breathe, and it's the start of most food chains on Earth. So plants are amazing. They use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make their own food through photosynthesis, and they give us the oxygen we need to breathe. Next time you see a plant, remember how it's making its own food and helping us at the same time. Thank you for watching.